In the wild, almost everything is divided into predators and prey, but there is one animal that seems to break these rules. It doesn't roar, it doesn't chase prey, and even predators, sometimes hungry and dangerous, often leave it alone. This is the capybara, the largest rodent on the planet. A fully grown capybara can weigh up to 70 kilograms, with a body length exceeding 1.2 meters. In essence, it is a giant guinea pig, but its role in nature is far more important than its size. Capybaras live near water, rivers, lakes, and wetlands in South America. For them, water is not just a habitat, it is a shelter, a means of protection, and a place where they feel completely safe. If a predator approaches, whether a jaguar, caiman, or anaconda, the capybara does not panic. It simply dives under the surface, leaving only its eyes and nostrils visible, and disappears. It can hold its breath for up to 5 minutes, and while submerged, predators lose sight of it completely. Sometimes capybaras hide among aquatic plants or bushes, becoming nearly invisible even to the most attentive predator. They are highly social animals. Groups usually consist of 10 to 20 individuals, though larger herds sometimes form. Within the herd, there is a dominant male, several females, and the young. Together, they protect one another. Adult males guard the young, and females teach the pups to swim and find food. Capybaras communicate in fascinating ways. Whistles, clicks, and soft barking sounds help the group coordinate and warn of danger. In addition, they have an impressive ability to recognize each other by voice and scent, which strengthens bonds within the herd. Despite their calm appearance, capybaras are not defenseless. Their incisors grow continuously and can cut through even tough plants and roots. Young capybaras can swim within hours of birth, making them almost untouchable to predators. Pregnancy lasts about 5 months, and a female usually gives birth to 2 to 8 pups. From an early age, the young learn to interact with the herd, avoid danger, and find food. Interestingly, capybaras often engage in mutual grooming, helping each other remove parasites, which strengthens social bonds within the group. The most remarkable thing about capybaras is their temperament. Birds sit on their backs, monkeys play nearby, and sometimes even predators walk past, seemingly respecting their peacefulness. This is not magic or friendship. It is a survival strategy. Calmness, caution, and social behavior help them stay safe. Capybaras are not the fastest, not the most aggressive, and not hunters. But in a world where a single mistake can cost a life, they survive thanks to their adaptability. They show that strength is not always about fury or speed. Sometimes it is about patience, calmness, and harmony with the environment. Capybaras also help maintain the ecosystem. By eating grasses and aquatic plants, they promote new plant growth, and their herds create trails and feeding areas for other animals. And that is why the capybara remains one of the most fascinating and unique animals in South America, a giant that teaches us to live calmly, wisely, and in harmony with nature.